Welcome to Review Rumble. The best mochi ice cream is probably one of the most delightful treats you can find in the freezer aisle. These bite-sized balls of ice cream, wrapped in a chewy mochi exterior, offer a unique textural experience that's both fun and satisfying. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Bubbies Mochi Ice Cream, exploring its flavors, ingredients, and whether it lives up to the hype. Number 5. Cuisinart ICE 45P1 Soft Serve Ice Cream Maker. Introducing the Cuisinart ICE 45P1, a professional quality ice cream maker. It's fully automatic and makes 1.5 quarts of delicious soft serve in just 20 minutes. No chemicals or ice needed, just pure, creamy goodness. This machine features 3 condiment containers for your favorite mix-ins. Add sprinkles, mini M&Ms, or chocolate morsels. It's easy to create your perfect ice cream treat with this machine. Dispensing is a breeze. Simply pull the levers to add your mix-ins, then pull the handle to dispense the soft serve directly into cones or bowls. It's just like an authentic soft serve machine. It has an on-off power dial, a cone holder, and a removable drip tray for easy cleaning. The mix-in gauge helps you choose the right size of mix-ins. This machine is designed for convenience. This product is BPA-free and comes with a limited 3-year warranty. Refer to the user manual for details. It's a safe and reliable way to enjoy homemade ice cream. This fully automatic soft-serve ice cream maker has a double-insulated freezer bowl. It includes 3 built-in condiment dispensers, a cone holder, and removable parts for easy cleaning. Instructions and recipes are also included. What we like? This machine brings the soft-serve experience right to your kitchen. It lets you customize your ice cream with mix-ins, making it perfect for parties or family fun. If you're looking for a fun and interactive dessert experience, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The machine worked great. If you follow the directions, it is an amazing machine. Makes soft serve with great texture that rivals the real thing. Number 4. Saffron Road Organic Chickpeas. These delicious chickpeas from Saffron Road are made with organic sea salt. They are a perfect snack for any time of day. This product is certified USDA organic, which means it meets strict standards for organic production. You can trust that it is made with high-quality ingredients. This snack is also vegan-friendly, so it's suitable for those following a plant-based diet. It's a tasty and healthy option for everyone. If you are gluten-sensitive, you can enjoy this snack without worry. It is certified gluten-free, ensuring it meets the necessary standards. The product is verified by the Non-GMO Project, meaning it is made without genetically modified ingredients. It's a wholesome choice for your snacking needs. This product is certified halal and kosher, adhering to the dietary laws of both faiths. It is a great choice for those seeking these certifications. What we like? These chickpeas are a guilt-free snack that's both organic and vegan. They are also gluten-free, so you can enjoy them without any worries. If you're looking for a healthy and convenient snack, you should consider these. What people say. They are fantastic on a salad or as a snack. Such a yummy, salty, crunchy snack. Chickpeas are good for you. Number 3. Zest Delites Fruit Snacks, apple-based fruit leather. This fruit leather is made primarily from apples and enhanced with other natural fruit flavors. Each pack contains 36 individually wrapped fruit bars, perfect for a quick and easy snack. These fruit leathers are all natural, vegan, gluten-free, kosher, and dairy-free. It's a clean, fruity treat made with real fruit, ideal for both adults and kids seeking a healthier snack option. Whether at work or on the go, you can enjoy these mess-free dried fruit snacks anytime, anywhere. Each strip is individually wrapped for maximum convenience, making it the perfect on-the-go snack. These fruit snacks make a thoughtful and health-conscious gift. It's a fruity treat that looks good, feels special, and tastes even better. Enjoy a flavorful take on fruit leather, made from real ingredients to satisfy cravings. It's a nutritious treat the whole family can enjoy, perfect for anyone looking for tasty and wholesome fruit snacks. What we like? These fruit snacks are made with real fruit and have no added sugar, making them a healthy treat. They're individually wrapped for easy portability, perfect for on-the-go snacking. If you like a tasty and wholesome snack, you should try these. What people say. So thick and flavorful. Great variety and quality. Good for snack on the go or in a lunch. Number 2. Fusion Select Japanese Mochi 8 Variety Pack. Indulge in the exquisite taste of Japanese mochi. This variety pack offers a delightful assortment of flavors, perfect for any occasion. Experience the creamy sweetness of boba milk tea. Each bite is a burst of flavor, bringing the beloved beverage to a chewy mochi form. Enjoy the unique and earthy flavor of taro. This mochi offers a delightful texture and a taste that will transport you to the heart of Asia. Savor the nutty goodness of sesame mochi. The rich flavor and satisfying chewiness make it a perfect treat for any time of day. Taste the refreshing sweetness of himalayan. This mochi captures the essence of the fruit, offering a light and delightful experience. Delight in the exotic flavor of lychee. It's a sweet and fragrant treat that will awaken your senses. Experience the classic taste of green tea. This mochi provides a balanced flavor profile, with a hint of bitterness and a refreshing finish. What we like. This mochi offers a delightful variety of flavors, from classic to unique fusion combinations. It delivers an authentic mochi experience with a modern twist. If you are looking for a delicious and diverse treat, you should definitely try these. What people say. This comes with a lot of mochi and a lot of variety, especially for the price. The filling is a black sesame puree, with the same level of texture and sweetness as the red bean mochi filling. Not to mention, the sesame seeds on the outside of the mochi dough also add an amazing texture. They're soft and fresh. Number 1. Global Grub DIY Mochi Ice Cream Kit. Want to make delicious mochi ice cream at home? This DIY kit is perfect for beginners. It includes everything you need to get started, just add your favorite ice cream. This kit comes with shelf-stable ingredients like mochi flour, plus a reusable ice cream mold and dough cutter. You'll have everything you need to create perfect mochi balls. With this kit, you can make 4 batches of 8 mochi pieces. It includes flavorings for matcha and chocolate, but feel free to experiment with other flavors. The possibilities are endless. It's a fun family activity, a great date night idea, or a unique gift. Give your ice cream a Japanese twist and enjoy the experience. Explore new tastes and techniques with Global Grub's DIY food kits. Just add a few basics and embark on a new cooking adventure. It's easy and fun. What we like. This kit lets you create your own mochi ice cream at home, making it a fun and interactive experience. It includes all the necessary ingredients and tools, making it perfect for beginners. If you're looking for a fun activity for a family or a unique gift, it is a great choice. What people say. Easy to make, way less messy than I anticipated, and fun. Easy to follow along with, tasted great, good price, and fun activity for all. My sister had fun making the mochi. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.